All right, we're off the van now. That was a bit of an adventure getting here. We're at sort of the riverside with our fellow tour group members, and we're about to go and experience the Amazon experience. This is going to be an interesting day, and this is like a United Nations of tourists here, so I guess we'll get to meet a few and try and communicate through the day, and maybe by the end of the day we would have made some new friends. Just about to get on our boat here. Huge amount of activity down here at this the riverside. Everyone is selling stuff and spruiking, and just went through a fish market, all these prawns everywhere. So we're just heading to our boat. I'll turn around the camera, you'll see. Jason, get ready. Yeah, I can swim.
Here's our wee toe.
My God, look at this.
Uma vez é foda, hein?
So we're getting on this, well, I don't know, how big is this? It's going to be interesting. Here we go. Thank you. Well, that's what we grab if it all turns to shit. Wow, look at this. Take a seat. You got 1A. 1A window. Oh, have you asked them, Jason, what they're going to do with this data? Is it secure? Suddenly you'll find all sorts of weird sales messages come through to your email, huh?
Popcorn.
Yep.
Batata, pipoca, banana.
Looks like we're about to get underway here. Now that we've figured out the passenger loading, a whole bunch of people just got off. They're on the wrong flight. The engine's running. Been untied. Is your seat in the upright position and your tray table put away? We're just about to take off, you realise?
It's not under the seat, it's over the seat.
That's right. Is there one?
There's them behind.
There's the tyre, right? The
Yeah.
He looks like a character. It's Joker. Taking care of business, this Joker. And same with that dude over there in the red. Alright, here we go. Amazon style.
Bom dia, senhoras e senhores, sejam bem-vindos a mais uma edição do passeio. Estamos aqui saindo agora da parte de Porto Alto de Manaus, atrás de vocês Mercado Lisboa e a feira Manaus Moderna, chamada aqui a Zona Manaus Moderna aqui. Vocês podem ver que Moderna é só o nome mesmo. Aqui agora a gente está no Rio Negro, como se é o primeiro ponto de parada, que é o Entorno das Águas. Vamos fazer logo a demonstração do uso correto do colete, apenas no critério de conhecimento e segurança. Essa aqui é a frente do colete, vocês podem ver. Você coloca no pescoço. Tem uma fita maior, você passa por trás de você.
This is the in-flight safety demonstration.
Passa por uma outra alça e faz uma cultura rápida, tornar um feito. Mais na frente aqui, temos aí uma passagem. componentes e peças que mantêm o meio do Manaus. Vocês têm por 8 quilômetros graças a diferentes rodadas. Só mais assim que eu vou explicar. E a gente está lá no Manaus. Então, você tem que pensar por velocidade, pulmões muito mais velozes, velocidade, e você tem um coração mais outra coisa velocidade, outra velocidade. Os pulmões, mas teoricamente os estudiosos eles nascem apenas após a menos esses 12 minutos. Já que no Brasil, o Peru até aqui é Rio Solimões, não é muito exato, mas aqui tem lugar que chega até 70 metros, 80 metros. Porque como eu disse, o Rio Solimões está cavando seu leito. Tem lugar de 30 metros, não é nada assim exato. O que faz acontecer esse fator? Suceder por toda essa quilometragem são os 3 diferentes fatores: as velocidades, as temperaturas.
Just at the join of the Black River and the Amazon, and it's really very distinctive. We saw it from the helicopter last night. Now we're right here on the river, and everyone's getting a view. And you know, you can actually see the dividing line between the two rivers. You know, it's a very defined point of only a quarter of a meter or something like that between the Black River and the Amazon River. Really cool, and obviously quite a feature here in this river tour. You can see where the two rivers come together. Really distinctive. Two sort of different bodies of water, and it takes apparently 12 kilometers for them to end up mixing together, we've been told. And there's another little tour boat over there. Off we go. Back to the Black River. We're on the Amazon right now. Now we're on the Black, just like that. We're in this lake right now, and you can tell it's really different from the river. It's really calm. The green of this jungle is just stunning. It's iridescent green. I hope this is being picked up by the camera. We got the crew having a good time there. Guy driving the boat right there. Can you see him? I don't know. This is just a really mellow sort of place, very calm. We can see from the trees that the water must surge up, you know, when it floods or the volume of water increases. But this is real nice. Looks like we're about to pull into a little village here. It's interesting. Maybe a lunch stop or something like that, but we're getting ready to sort of tie up, so maybe we'll even get to meet some of the locals. This little sort of village on poles in this lake area. Wow. There we go, so you're getting ready to tie up. Wow.
Ela tirou e jogou na água, não tem opção.
Tying up. Okay, we're getting off.
Vou chamar, tá bom? Vou chamar. Vou chamar, vou interagir, você terminar de chão.
Here we go. Everybody's getting off. We're here. Wherever we are, we're here. Hey man, fancy seeing you here.
Oh, a place to meet up.
I've been hanging out here waiting for you for ages. How took you so long?
Look at that.
Jason Rhodes, I presume.
Look down in there.
Oh my God, what the hell are they? Like
That's your lunch.
giant piranhas or some damn thing. I was thinking before, what's in this lake, and now I've got my answer. We have company. We're getting the spiel in there as well, the tourist spiel. These fish are just too much, man. Can you see that?
Isso aqui também é um osso. E esse osso junto com a sua cabeça, amassa e suga muito rápido tudo aquilo que ele vê como alimento próximo à superfície. Aqui não tem anzol, tá bom? É só para você sentir a força dele e poder interagir um pouco. E quem não pescar o peixe, no almoço vai comer só folha, tá bom? Vamos lá. Vamos lá. Pensa aí, que for pescar, cuidado para não botar a mão aqui, tá? Põe mesmo no braço.
É um pitbull? É um bulldog, cara. Nossa,
Esse é menorzinho.
Big things. I think we had triggered.
Yeah. Ok. Quem quiser interagir, tá bom? O senhor aqui.
Nothing left of that.
No more.
No more.
No more bait, no more.
Gone. What do you make of these fucking fish?
More than I'd want.
You wouldn't want to fall in there, would you?
No.
They'd ever go, wouldn't they?
You wouldn't last long.
My God.
The size of them, they'd just take your hand off in one bite.
I know. I mean, I'm freaking out just being up here.
Yeah. Well, the strength of them, you see them pulling on the stick down there. It's just unreal. You don't even see their jaw take the bait
No.
that fast.
It's like within a, I don't know, 50th of a second or something. It's incredible.
Split second.
Yeah.
And she's all over.
He said, now where's my hand?
And they're as big as I am.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Don't get in, Jason.
No.
Don't do it.
Not today.
Like a bird, huh? Yeah. Wow. Thank you. You're great. I think one of these bracelets, it's just a question of what design would be good. Yeah. Pretty narrow through here, as you can see. We got the other boat up ahead of us, going through this little sort of, well, it's like a street, a water street in the Amazon jungle. Crazy. Yeah. No, we didn't come on that. We came on this. But one day, maybe we will come on that. In the meantime, it's this. We eat here, they eat there. Man, you're in the middle of the Amazon jungle. Who do you come across? A bloody New Zealander.
Yeah, g'day from Tauranga.
Paul. Oh, I used to live in Tauranga.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Who are you? I'm trying to shake your hand.
Yeah, Derek. Oh, Derek.
G'day, Derek.
Yeah,
How are you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. And Jason from Wanaka.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
I noticed your t-shirt.
what brings you here?
Yeah, I'm just doing my 6 monthly tour.
Monthly?
Yeah, I take 6 months off every year.
Oh, nice.
I go back for the summer.
Yeah.
And when it starts to get cold, it gets really cold in Tauranga, I take off.
Yeah.
Last year I did Cape Town to Cairo.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And this year I'm doing Caracas to Cape Horn.
Oh, okay.
I actually went to Venezuela,
Oh.
and it's nowhere near as bad as what.
Yeah, because they say it's bad, don't they?
Yeah, no problem at all.
Don't believe the hype.
Yeah, don't believe the hype.
Yeah.
The only thing you've got to remember to do is take American dollars in small value notes.
Oh, right. Okay.
I had 50s.
Yeah.
I had paying American money,
Yeah.
but no one could change 50.
Yeah, right. Too
Right?
high.
If you take
too high
10s,
denomination.
yeah, you take 10s, 5s and 2s,
Yeah.
1s,
Yeah.
no problem at all.
Oh, well, okay.
You had the cheapest holiday you have in your life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think of Manaus?
It's the size of it.
It's big. Eh?
Huge. 2 million people.
We did a helicopter ride over
Yeah.
last night.
Half the population of New Zealand, mate.
Yeah, in one place.
Yeah, no.
And they're friendly, right? They're really friendly.
Well, I was saying to the guys in the hostel this morning, I've never had such a good 24 hours in a country.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty
Now, they made a mistake with my seat, and they bumped me up to first class when I was flying. Yeah.
That's the mistake you want to have.
Yeah, well, I knew it was, but they gave me 1A, because I always ask for a window seat,
yeah.
like you see,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
When she said 1A, I knew what that meant.
Yeah.
But the girl behind the counter, she's relatively new.
Oh, yeah,
I
great.
don't think she knew what it was. And I said, are you sure that's right? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fine. When we came in, The immigration were really friendly, chatty, talkative, none of this
What city did you come in? Did you come into
I
Manaus?
came into Manaus.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
flew from Panama on Copa.
Yeah.
None of this fingerprint bullshit. And look at the camera, none of that shit. You know, they were really, really good. I slept at the airport for 3 or 4 hours because I arrived at 2:30 a.m. and I wasn't going to do that. So anyway, I got the public bus. No problem at all. The taxi driver said, and my guidebook said it was number this, and no, that one. And he said, up there. Manaus Airport's got 3 levels. So I got directed to the bus. They helped me with my bag, get on. A guy stood up for me in the bus and gave me his seat.
Wow.
4 real. About $1.50 New Zealand. Bloody good. No problem. Got to the youth hostel. Bloody good. 45 real a night. The breakfast I had this morning, included in the 45 real price, wouldn't put a 5-star hotel to shame.
Jeez, okay, this is glowing.
This is, it is, mate. That's what I'm telling the world about it, right? This is the YHA. Youth Hostel, you understand? YHA, the old triangle. It's the YHA, official way in Manaus. 45 real a night.
Not bad.
That's $15. That's $15 American, that's $25. You can't get a dorm bed, mate, in New Zealand hostels for 25 bucks. They're more like 30, 33 now. This breakfast, all you could eat, fruit juice, pineapple, guava, piña, tea, coffee, fresh milk, toast, ham, proper ham, cheese. Bloody
not bad.
You know, terrace, you know. If you stop the filming, I'll show you a photo.
Okay, here we are. We've arrived for lunch and it's a feast. It's an absolute feast. And I've just filmed Derek from Tauranga. He was going through all the food, checking it out. I'll show you a picture of that in just a moment. Quite funny. This is turning into a bit of a travel log, right? Anyway, it's a bit of fun, a bit of entertainment. So lunch and then off to another destination, then we're back to Manaus and our river cruise will be over. But this has been really cool so far. Fantastic. Typical of someone from Tauranga. Checking out all the food. Look at him. Yeah, I'll have some of that. Maybe some of that. Go, Derek. This is an Amazonian feast in progress right here. Amazonian feast. I was walking through the jungle one day in the merry month of, what are we? August. This is the jungle and this is the Amazon. Crikey, we actually just saw a monkey before. Jason, have you seen the monkey?
What, another one?
I want to see a monkey and a sloth. Wow, look at this.
It's unreal.
Yeah. You know that in that water there are those big fish.
Why we have a big walkway.
Piranhas. Fall in there. How long do you think you'd last, eh? Couple of minutes?
Don't wobble it too much, eh?
No.
Look at
This would be worse than choking on a chicken bone.
I don't know how far we go.
Just do the end. Is there an end? Yeah, so this is like literally like a little walk through the jungle. How do you think New Zealand Health and Safety would deal with this?
They wouldn't.
We tried to follow the monkey, but it's gone. Wow. Here's a riverboat, and the interesting thing is, look how small the frickin' prop is. It's tiny. All right, here's our boat behind. That's what we came here on. And we'll be presumably heading back on. Not swimming. Imagine being stranded here for the rest of your days. with the fish and the tourist knickknacks and the power cables crazy power cables that actually go through the water, like extension cords that go through the water. Yeah, health and safety? I don't think so.
Carvão moído e urucum, que é o floral.
Eu não sei de que eu
All right, we're here to see how the real people live. Wow, check it out, man. Fantastic. Oh yeah. Getting a bit of culture here. We're sort of in a, it's hard to know if it's an actual village or a sort of like a attraction village, but pan flutes and people who look like the real deal doing their dances. Jason had a go at that. Usually I'm the one who's picked out for that sort of thing, but not this time. So this is really interesting, just dropping in on this. See how, well, the locals live. How they used to live. Traditional style, you know.
Kitchen indigenous, the kitchen. Huh? Kitchen indigenous.
Você dá aula particular ou em curso? Particular. Não sei se vai para a rede pública ou se eu continuo formando aqui. Eu 7 anos dando aula, mas não tenho formatura não.
Depois você tá pela experiência sua, 13 anos nos Estados Unidos.
Aí eu...
Money shot right there. All right, we're finished, we're getting off. Thank you, goodbye. We're getting off.
Good day. All right.
Yeah, great day, mate. Thank you so much, eh?
Thank you so much.
Okay, here's the guy who's just taking us. Here we go.
Yeah.
Nice job. Okay,
Thank
hey,
you.
have a great time. See ya. Goodbye.